Last rhetorical appeal that we are going to look at is logos. This one makes the most sense to me whenever I use and try to persuade somebody. So logos is the rhetorical appeal that uses logic and reason to persuade the reader or audience. So they're trying to reason with the person and let them see like the logical way of thinking. It provides a solid and unbiased explanation. So your facts are what back up your persuasion. So an example of this would be an iPhone commercial that highlights the latest features and specs, or a protein shake commercial that hypes up the vitamin and calorie stats. So what to use for logos is these are more kind of specific. So deductive reasoning is whenever you start with a broad claim and use specific examples to back up your claim. So you could say that exercising is healthy for you, and then you would use specific examples to back up that broad claim that exercising is healthy for you. You could say that cardio 15 minutes a day is very good for your heart, something like that. And then coherent thought is just making sure that you have a well-organized line of reasoning, so everything that you say makes sense and in order or in some kind of organized fashion. Comparison is whenever you compare two things, so it's just one thing versus another thing. And then cause and effect thinking. So whenever you eat healthy, your body has more energy. That would be a cause and effect thinking. So here are some examples for you. So as you can see, I'm going to show you two different phone ones, and you can kind of determine which one does better job at persuading you. All right, so there's the Apple one, and now we're going to watch the Galaxy one. So one of them had more like words on the screen telling you what was available, and one was just kind of focusing on the phone itself. So to you, which one used logos better and provided the better advertisement? Here's a literature example of logos. Crafty men condemn studies, simple men admire them, and wise men use them, for they teach not to use not their own use, but that is wisdom without them, and above them won by observation. So this is what it's saying, like that wisdom is better because you can actually observe and you understand more and you learn more. So the activity that I would like you to complete here is I want you to find 2 advertisements that are advertising the same kind of product. So like I did with the iPhone and Android, you could do like a Roomba versus a Shark, an Apple Watch versus a Fitbit. And then make a decision on which product is better based off of the advertisements. And then I'd like you to write a paragraph describing why the product that you chose is better than the other and give 3 specific reasons on why it's superior. All right, so I'm going to let you guys do that. Email me if you have any questions.